Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. I want real quick on the big shout out to Hobby Zone for sending this to me. This is the HAWKEYE 600 millimeter little ready to fly microplane, and I want to go real quick the radio. It's ready to fly. You need 4 AA batteries that go in the back of the transmitter. Okay. It's already bound to the airplane, but when you set it up for the first time, you want to put your batteries in it. You're going to turn the transmitter on. You'll see the green light comes on. You're going to take your little battery that's fully charged, and the battery only fits one. So I dropping everything here. Has a little channel that it fits in. Only fits in one way. Put that in there and lay the battery in there like that. Just tuck your wires in there. Put your radio hatch, make sure it clicks in, and set the model down. And then if nothing happens, push this switch away. Now see, model's going through its little dance. And now it is bound. Up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, or right aileron, left aileron. Okay, well, sorry. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator. There's no rudder, and that beep you just heard is the monitor. The transmitter will beep that long beep for every minute that passes from the time you turn the transmitter on. So just remember that. I wouldn't fly it more than say 3 or 4 minutes on that little battery. So you're gonna have to, put a timer on your watch or whatever. Now, with this switch here, this controls the dynamic and the stability mode. With the switch down in the down position towards the handle here, that's your stability. And if you look at that elevator going up, and it's holding its position. See, the model's trying to self-right. Okay, elevator goes up. Watch those ailerons. See how they're kind of holding position? They'll take you back to level. Now, another minute went by. Pull up on it, in other words, bring that switch towards you, and then that's their dynamic mode, which is just your wind mitigation or optimized mode, like in the reflex world, or AS3X in the Spectrum world. And that's just wind mitigation. That's what I'll be flying in most of the time. That just helps you guide the plane through the wind, and it makes a larger plane, or a smaller plane, fly like a larger one, is basically what it does. So you've got, so again, turn your transmitter on first, turn it on, plug in your battery, put your battery hatch, set the model down. Let it go through its little dance. Takes about 3 or 4 seconds, and then it's ready to rock and roll. Okay. This switch here away from you is your self-leveling or stability. Switch towards you, and that's just your dynamic or your optimized dynamic AS3X wind mitigation, and everything works. There you go, and that's all there is to it. And like I say, it's going to beep every minute on the minute as time goes by. And when you land, just take your little battery out, unplug it, pull your little battery out, put your hatch back on, and just keep. And just so you know, if the batteries are starting to get low in the transmitter, this will start flashing and then it'll turn red. So it'll tell you need to change your batteries. So that's all you needed for that. And also, how to tell whether your battery's charged or not is when you plug this just like in the receiver, it only plugs in one way. It only fits one way in there. Has a little channel. It just slides right in. Plug that in USB. And I can't remember which side, but one side of this has a little red light. When that red light goes out, the battery's fully charged. So that's how you can tell. Well, there you go. Can't wait to get this little guy out and fly her. Big shout out for Hobby Zone for sending this out. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. There'll be a link to the purchase of this plane in the video. Just make sure you wait until November 17th of 2023 because this is going to go on a Black Friday sale. And the Black Friday savings is greater than my code that I have in my link. Use my link, but use the Black Friday code because it'll be the Black Friday code. It'll be a better savings. So, all right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget faith, family, and friends, and then cute little jets or cute little planes or this thing here. Bye.